Once upon a time, a long time ago, an angel told a man and a woman that the baby that had just been born to them would grow to be the strongest man in the world if only they didn't cut his hair. And so Samson was born, and because his hair was never cut, he became the most mighty warrior of his generation. Nothing could stand in his way. Wild animals were no match for him. And if ever he went into battle, the enemy was scared and ran away rather than face up to him. But then one day Samson fell in love with a woman called Delilah, and she tricked him into telling her the secret of his strength. "Nobody has ever cut my hair," he said. "If you cut my hair, then I shall be as weak as a baby." And so Delilah cut his hair, and all his strength left him. His enemies captured him, and they made him into a prisoner, and they made him work hard like an animal in the dark. And every now and again they would bring him out of the prison to laugh and make fun of him. "Look," they would say, "Samson used to be the strongest man in the world, and now he's as weak as a baby." But over time, his hair began to grow again, and they didn't notice it. And then one day they brought him out of the prison into the biggest building in their city for a great festival, so they could make fun of him. And he put his left hand on one of the pillars that held up the roof, and put his right hand on the other, and pushed so hard that the whole building collapsed, killing Samson and all the leaders of that city who were inside it at the time.